everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Cancer. Cancer is a sickness where bad cells in our body grow out of control. It can happen anywhere, like in your lungs, breast, or skin. These bad cells can spread and make you feel very sick. Things like smoking or being around harmful chemicals can make it more likely. Symptoms can be different depending on where it is, like a lump or feeling tired. Finding it early can help doctors treat it better. Treatments include things like surgery, medicine, or radiation to kill the bad cells. It's hard for people who have it, and they need lots of help and support. Scientists are always trying to find better ways to fight it and help people. Staying healthy and avoiding bad things can lower your chance of getting it. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.